we're riding to the spot, and I will come back to you guys when we're here. All right, so here we go, guys. Beautiful day, probably about midday, and we're gonna be trying to make a YouTube video. So, yeah, please 10K likes, and so, yeah.
Well, Joe Elsie, there's Caden Stories YouTube, and well, I guess we can say we have an MVP fleet, which he is, so I really don't want to do this scooter trip. There's a couple new parts on it. Well, if you guys don't know yet, the MGP has 120s, cutout deck, oversized clamp and bars, and new forks. Let's go.
Hey guys, they're going to go rescue the cat. I don't know if you can see him up there, but to the right. And hopefully they don't push it out into the road. Please don't. Does he have a freaking rock?